Hello friends, how are you? Where are you from? I am from Bangladesh. And you? Are you Pakistani? I think that your appearance look Pakistani actually. Am I right?
बिल्कुल ठीक है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। आप बताएं आप कैसे हैं?
I think that you are Pakistani. Actually, 100% I think that you are Pakistani. Please reply yourself.
मैं मुल्तान से हूँ। आप बताइए आप कहाँ से हैं?
If you do not give me your information, there is no problem. Actually, I think that you must be Pakistani and you are watching in front of me a globe. I think that I live in Bangladesh and you must live in Pakistan. Okay. How do you spend your pastimes and what is your favorite hobby? My favorite hobby is talking to someone who can speak English fluently or a little bit. Friends, I think that I should speak with you in English because I can't understand your mother tongue. That is why Pakistan is a country whose people speak Urdu but can't speak English. So there is no problem. We should talk to each other in English. Am I right? Friend, right now I am very busy to my daily activities because you know I am a private teacher. That is why I am very busy. So I will go to teach my students and after getting or after finishing or after teaching them, I will come back and we will meet a selected time and we will spend some time by talking to your culture